Start with your ShakerBot plugged in. It will come up and it will then broadcast a local ID. And you'll notice here on this laptop, it's broadcast a ShakerBot 1D7 ID, which we'll join. So we're going to join that network now. And if you watch what ShakerBot's doing here, it's scanning our local networks and it's found all the Wi-Fi hotspots. The one we want to connect to today for this demo is called TestWave. So we'll join TestWave. Again, that's a network inside of our house here. And we'll type in the password and we'll simply say save. So at that point, ShakerBot, if you notice here, ShakerBot will reboot. And what will happen is it's now joining your home network with those credentials that you just gave it. So now what we need to do is bring up a browser and we're going to go to the IP address of this device. In this case, this device has come up at 192.168.1.242. Oh, let me get the dot in there. 242. If we join, we should see ShakerBot's homepage here. So here's the ShakerBot homepage. It gives you all the information that it's found about the ShakerBot and the versions and that sort of thing. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to the top here and we're going to go to the schedule. Happens to be a Wednesday night, so we're going to make sure Wednesday is enabled. And it's currently set to stop shaking at 5:30 at night. So we're going to go ahead and move it to 11 o'clock at night so we can do this demo. And then it'll now know that it's supposed to be shaking. I'll go to the settings page and I'm going to make sure that the shakes are a maximum of only 3 seconds apart. I'll save that. And then I'll come up here. I'm going to change the name of the ShakerBot from ShakerBot Keyboard and Mouse to just, we're going to name it ShakerBot Demo. And there it is there. That's given it a new name. And we're going to make the number of pixels that it moves be 8. We'll make it 8 pixels each time it moves, both the X and Y coordinates. So we'll do that. We'll say OK. And if you notice, if we let the mouse just sit there, we're actually going to have to join the Bluetooth. So you'll notice that this device is plugged in. So we'll come here to Bluetooth and we'll say pair a new device. And there it finds our ShakerBot demo, which is what we named it. And we asked to join, and now it's joined the network. And if you notice, if you look at the mouse here closely, you'll see the mouse is every 3 seconds is actually jumping. So if you can get a... So it's going to be now, according to the schedule, it'll keep jumping. And the other nice thing about ShakerBot, if you don't want to be connected through Bluetooth, you can also say, I'd like to be connected through USB mouse and keyboard through the USB port. So we're going to select that. If you notice here, the ShakerBot's going to re-power cycle. I'll pull it out of this. And now I will plug it back into the tablet here. And you'll notice in just a second, I'm going to go ahead and close this down. And you'll notice as soon as this comes up, if you look at the mouse here, we should see the mouse is shaking. If you'll notice, zoom in on that. Every 3 seconds, you'll see that jumping. And now your ShakerBot is set up and ready for use. Thank you.